गए, लेकिन देखा जाएगा जो पहली जीत किसकी होगी, किस टीम जो अपना खाता ओपन करेगा इस मैच में। लेकिन एक पहला विकेट बहुत जल्द खोती हुई और नए बल्लेबाज देखना होगा फिलहाल आते हुए मैदान पर।
Definitely, Ashok sir. Both the teams will be feeling that pressure because they are yet to register the victory in this second day of the tournament. And the team have to win to qualify for the next round. So definite, and this wicket will add on that pressure on the batting team. Prajot looking very confident after taking that first wicket. Second delivery, oh my dear, look at that strike as if the batter is well set. Has come with an intention. I'm not going to spare anyone, that a maximum.
पहली गेंद पर विकेट आते आते एक बड़ा शॉट और अपने खाते को भी शुरुआत की वो बड़े शॉट के साथ। tenniscricket.in से एलईडी स्क्रीन पर आप रिप्ले देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही शानदार बड़ी स्क्रीन है, वहीं पर आप रिप्ले देख सकते हैं।
So good positive intent, and this is what champions they bring with them. So let's see till how can this positive intent to be seen. Change in pace, but way outside the off stump. Stretch of arms by the mid umpire, confirming that this is going to be an extra. Wide is the signal, an extra to the total, so that team total moves to 7 for the loss of 1 wicket. So this is the positive intent, even though they have lost a wicket. Sweet hit, there's a connection, fielder running very hard, ball goes away from the fielder, equally well fielded. There was a chance of a couple, but good effort from the fielder. He has to run at least 20 yards backwards to stop that ball from crossing the boundary, and a single. Score is 8. So we can see good start from either teams. A wicket on the very first delivery. After that, a 6 and a couple of runs. Meanwhile, another good-looking strike to the field. Patrolling the fence. Oh my dear, just short of it. And a lucky boundary.
बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट लगाया था लंगा पर एक्स्ट्रा कवर के बीच में, लेकिन एक मुश्किल समय नहीं कहूंगा, आसान मौका, हाफ चांस से जिसे कहते हैं, वो मौका निकला था और इसी बीच फील्डर को बीट करते हुए गेंद चली गई 4 रन के लिए बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर।
So this type of chances you need to take if you have to be at the driver's seat. And with quick legs, this is a beautiful ground, lush green. You can have the liberty of diving and taking the catches where it will be applauded, and even you can win some exciting prizes. Another straight looking drive straight onto the commentary box, registering, asking the scorer to mark those 4 runs on his score sheet.
लोअर फुल टॉस गेंद बल्ले के बीचों बीच मिड ऑन पर फील्डर राजेश, लेकिन उनके लिए बिल्कुल कोई मौका नहीं था। राजेश गोसावी उनके सर के ऊपर से सामने बिल्कुल हमारे कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर आती हुई गेंद पहले बाउंस के बाद 4 रन के लिए चली गई गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर। चौके के साथ टोटल स्कोर आगे बढ़ा 16 रन टोटल स्कोर।
Another wide. So now the pressure has been mounting on Prajot. He was very, very confident after taking the first wicket. But now the time is changing, the tide is changing, and we can see a flurry of runs. Another good strike, chance of a catch. Oh my dear, fielder was aiming to run back, but equally good effort, have managed to stop couple of runs. Meanwhile, oh my dear, is it going to be another no ball? And that is a liberty for the batter. Definitely this is going to be a free hit. Icing on the cake, a cherry on the top. Let's see whether the batter can. Full of his delivery is not going to be quiet. What a strike, a drop to cross the fence.
तो नो बॉल का मौका मिला, मौके पर चौका लगाया, बहुत बेहतरीन शॉट ऑफसाइड पर लॉन्ग ऑफ बाउंड्री पर मिले 4 रन स्कोर के खाते में। खेल और 1 ओवर का समाप्त हुआ और टोटल स्कोर हो चुका है 24 रन 1 विकेट पर।
when you are going to play the match, sometimes you don't give your 100%, but when the situation comes, when it is a grinding moment, then we can see the rare talent and the rare courage that comes out of a player. And same we have seen with the batters. Although they have lost the wicket, but what a flurry of runs. Good hitting by both the players to take the total now after the first over to 24 for the loss of 1 wicket.
जो रन होने चाहिए थे वो बन चुके हैं पावर प्ले में। पहले ओवर में 24 गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन, बैटिंग पावर प्ले का इशारा और बॉलिंग बार पर सामने दूर वाले जोर से स्विमिंग पूल के ओर से आनंद पाटिल आ चुके बॉलिंग बार पर।
So this is a good decision, I must say, as both the batsmen have been connected. They have connected quite comfortably, and now without wasting time, they have taken the batting power play. Oh my dear, switch it was the attempt, a low full toss. If he had to connect it straight down the ground, the fielder was inside the boundary rope, and that is the reason why he is not happy with himself. That was a chance.
Saga? Yes, I've got with me Yashanand from the Navelim Royals. Yashanand, इदी व्हडली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी प्रेझेंट केल्या तुमकां धामबाब चॅलेंजर्सांनी आनी आउट विकेट पडली. सागरा कडेन परते वयतले आमी, पण पयलीं तूं सांग तुजो कसो कितें एक्सपिरियन्स आसा ह्या टुर्नामेंटाचो.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बरो व्हडलो टुर्नामेंट हो साऊथ गोवाचो आनी हांगा खेळप सुद्दां एक बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. त्या लेवलाचेर परफॉर्मन्स दिवप, बरे खेळटले आमी दोनी गेमी फुडें जिखोन फुडें पावतले.
इतके सगळे गोंयचे प्लेयर ऑक्शन केले, हायेस्ट प्लेयर्सूय आसात, सगळे प्लेयर्सांक इदी व्हडली संद प्रोवायड केल्या. त्याच्या बदल्यान सगळे गोंयचेच म्हणून येना की सगळ्याक आतां पंचायत म्युनिसिपालिटी लेवल टुर्नामेंट जातात, वर्सभर जातले. बट अशी एक DPL फॉर्मॅट हो जो तेंच्यांनी नवो कितें क्रिएट करून हाडला, कशें कितें दिसता त्या फॉर्मॅटा बद्दल? कित्याक की जी तेंच्यांनी मेहनत घेतल्या, सगळे तेंचे जे कोण सपोर्टर्स आसात, स्पॉन्सर्सांनी इतके सगळे हे एक IPL कशी क्रिएट केली गोंयान.
एक्झॅक्टली रायट. युजली कशें आसा आमी पंचायत म्युनिसिपालिटी टुर्नामेंट खेळटा ऑर किंवा आमी तालुका टुर्नामेंट खेळटा. आतां हितून कशें आसा आमी साऊथ गोवा प्रिमियर लिगी सायड लायक आमी सगळे प्लेयर मिक्स जावन खेळटा. सो म्हणजे आमकां कळटा कोण कशें कितें खंय कितें लेवलाचो आसा. आमचोय लेवल आमकां कळटा. जेन्ना मिक्स जावन खेळटाना खूब शिकपाक मेळटा. एक्सपिरियन्स प्लेयर आसता, तेंच्या वांगडा खेळप, तेंचे कडेन स्किल्स शिकप आनी गेम कशी चलोवप तें शिकप एक इम्पॉर्टंट आसता जेन्ना तूं तुज्या पंचायतीच्या भायर वता खेळपाक.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुका वयच्या पयलीं, रिवर्साचो किंग कोण, सनम की साईश जोरे?
एट प्रेझेंट पळोवंक वयशात जाल्यार प्रेझेंट कंडिशन साईश जोरे.
Okay, thank you very much. That was Yashanand with us.
Meanwhile, a pull shot into the act, and definitely, oh my dear, this is the effort. This is the effort that is required by Navelim team, and one of his players was saying that definitely they are aiming to win. If they have to win, then they have to show such effort. But what a comeback by Navelim. First over, 24 runs. Second over, wicket on the very first delivery, and now looks to be the players are charged up after that. So that is a boundary. Switch it into the act. Meanwhile, requesting Avinash Gavas, please contact near the com box. Paging Avinash Gavas, please come near the com box. And what a situation now. We were just saying that this is going to be a productive over for Navelim, and in that bargain now a no ball, free hit is going to be offered to the batter, and a boundary also scored. Oh my dear, ball going away from the fielder. Chance has been created, but the ball has been stopped quite comfortably inside the boundary rope. Batter is not happy with himself. Ball was pitched onto the leg stump, and in India, this is going to be a treat. You can't bowl onto the pad line of the players, especially the Indian batters. But here, missed by the batter. So Pritham again driving it straight down the ground above the bowler's head. Couple of bounces to reach the fielder and a comfortable single. So 2 overs completed. After 2 overs, score is 34 for the loss of 1 wicket.
थँक्यू सागर. एक क्वेश्चन आम्ही आता लोकांमध्ये येयल्यात. इझी क्वेश्चन सर, डिफिकल्ट ना. पहिली क्वेश्चन दी मागीर आन्सर. ओके बरें आहा. बरें, इंडिया सध्या इंडिया 3 फॉर्मॅट खेळटा. ओके, 3 फॉर्मॅटांचे कॅप्टनांची नांव सांग. इंडिया 3 फॉर्मॅट खेळटा क्रिकेटीन. ओके, 3 फॉर्मॅटांची कॅप्टनांची नांव सांग.
टेस्ट मॅचीचो शुभम गिल आणि वन डेचो आता सध्या के एल राहुल आणि T20 सूर्यकुमार यादव.
शुभम गिल म्हटलं. शुभम गिल.
टेस्टाचो शुभम गिल.
शुभमन गिल. शुभमन गिल. ओके. ना ना ना, कोणाक आमी टेन्शनान घालिना. सारखे सगळे 3 आन्सरां आमकां सारकी सांगल्या. ओके, एब्सोल्युटली रायट. तुका आमी आतां रोखडेच प्रायजूय दितले. मागता मातशें डिपेल कमिटी कडेन की रोखडेच प्रायजूय हाडून दिवचे. तुजें भाई नांव कितें?
अल्ताफ हुसेन.
अल्ताफ. अल्ताफ हुशेक. अली खान. ओके, रोखडेच आमी प्रायज. बॅक टू कॉम बॉक्स.
Thank you, Sham. So keep the crowd busy with your questions. More questions, more prizes awaiting for the crowd. So meanwhile, this is the 3rd over. Oh my dear, first delivery equally well played. Knows that a shrewd bowler is up against him. Varad mixing up his deliveries, known for the leg break, but you have to be watching the ball till the last moment, otherwise he might deceive you. He is maintaining that length and line. Ashok sir, you must have seen him more than me playing cricket. So what would you like to comment?
बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी करते हैं. बिल्कुल इसी साल में सांगे प्रीमियर लीग में उन्होंने शानदार स्पेल किया था फिर की गेंदबाजी का. पावर प्ले में 24 बने, दूसरे ओवर में 10 रन बने. तो कमबैक गेंदबाजी में.
And as you have said, Ashok sir, he has taken the wicket. 2nd wicket goes down. Varad Dabholkar strikes in the 3rd over. 2nd wicket back to the pavilion. So in this limited format, you can't relax for even an inch. Even if you have scored the runs, that game might change on 2 or 3 deliveries that are enough to shift the momentum, shift the tempo. So let's see what is going to happen. This is the 3rd over in progress. 2 wickets back to the pavilion.
फिरकी के बिल्कुल विरुद्ध बल्लेबाजी जो कि शॉट खेलना चाहते थे. फ्लाइट कट गेंद थी, लेग ब्रेक गेंद थी, उछाल भी मिला और वहीं पर जो कि शॉट खेलने के लिए निकले. टॉपेज लगा विकेट कीपर के पीछे. स्लिप पर फील्डर को मौका मिला, कैच को पकड़ा और सफलता मिलती हुई वरद दाभोलकर को. और नए बल्लेबाज आते हुए मैदान पर प्रणल सावंत जो एक बहुत ही अच्छे गेंदबाज है, वो आ चुके हैं जो कि बल्लेबाजी में. और सामने वरद दाभोलकर थोड़ा सा अपने फील्डिंग को ठीक ठाक कर रहे हैं मैदान पर.
So this is going to be a good contest. 2 wickets back to the pavilion. Now we have to see the intention of the incoming batter. They have to be positive. Switch hit was the attempt equally well. Deceived by Varad Dabholkar. Knows that the batters are going to cut loose. They are batting first. That means they will be aiming for a huge target. And he has been successful so far to keep them quiet. A wicket. After that, a dot delivery.
जो शुरुआत की थी पावर प्ले में, पहले ओवर में 24 रन बने, लेकिन उसके बाद अच्छा कमबैक जरूर कहूंगा गेंदबाजी में.
Meanwhile, a decent cricketing strike plays along the carpet. Knows that we have to give respect to the good deliveries. Playing along the carpet for a single.
सिंगल डबल बीच बीच में बन रहे. स्कोर 1 रन के साथ आगे निकला. मुकाबला जारी है मैदान पर. नाविलिम रॉयल्स टॉस जीतकर फील्डिंग, बिचोलिम ब्लास्टर्स बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं. और देखना होगा 6 ओवर का मैच है, 35 मिनट का समय है. 2 पावर प्ले रहते हैं जो कि 6 ओवर में. और वरद दाभोलकर एक बार फिर से अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर. 2 बैटर है मैदान पर, प्रणल सावंत और प्रीतम सेठ.
But still, the match is halfway done so far. This is the third over in progress. More 3 overs remaining in this inning, and we have to be concentrating in the middle as situation may change. It may alter at any time. Oh my dear, another edge but going away from the fielder and a quick single.
फिर से सागर वही कोशिश थी बल्लेबाज की जो फिरकी के विरुद्ध बिल्कुल शॉट खेलना चाहते, फिर से थोड़ा सा मिस टाइम टॉप एज लगा, लेकिन इस बार बच गए। विकेट कीपर और शॉट पाइले के बीच में काफी फासला था, दरार थी, और वहीं पर गेंद टिप्पा खाने के बाद निकली, नहीं तो बल्लेबाज के लिए और एक बड़ा खतरा बन सकता था। फिलहाल सिंगल बना स्कोर के खाते में। लेफ्ट हैंडर राइट हैंडर ये जोड़ी है मैदान पर, और फील्डिंग में थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन हो रहा है लेफ्ट हैंडर बैटर के लिए।
Definitely Ashok sir, but both the teams, they have to open their quota of 2 points, and in that hunt we can see those big efforts from the player, and now it looks to be one more wicket, as we can see wicket keeper and a bowler are coming, even the players are joining him. 37 is the total at the moment.
एक अच्छा ओवर सागर मैं कहूंगा, क्योंकि गेंदबाजी में और एक परिवर्तन, लक्ष्मण नाइक आ चुके हैं सामने से दूर वाले चोर से। खुद का पहला टीम का चौथा ओवर, 3 ओवर समाप्त हुए, 12 रन के साथ रन बनाते हुए 37 टोटल, 3 विकेट पर।
So far 37 for the loss of 3. Lakshman now delivering, and he has been welcomed with that maximum over the square leg region. Slightly shorter pitch but equally well judged, and what a strike.
बहुत अच्छा शॉट, अपने बिल्कुल बॉडी को रोल किया, बल्ले के बीचों बीच सही नसीहत, ताकत, टाइमिंग का मिलाप देखने को मिला। आप देख सकते हैं लेडीज ट्रेन पर रिप्ले में किस तरह से ये शॉट लगाया। बिल्कुल छोटे कद के खिलाड़ी है प्रीतम सेठ, लेकिन बड़े बड़े लंबे लंबे शॉट लगाते। बहुत शानदार शॉट, मिले 6 रन और स्कोर पहुंचा 43 रन, 3 विकेट पर।
Maybe Pritham was at the non-strikers end in the previous over. He was waiting for his chance, and as soon as he has saw that little chance, he has grabbed it, have put his balance onto the back foot, and what a strike. A beautiful hook shot, taking the ball out of the park. Starts with a sixer in the 4th over. Meanwhile, has sensed that it is going to be called a wide. Good judge have left the ball to travel safely to the wicketkeeper. Wide is a signal from the mid umpire, an extra to the total. So this is where you have to be. You have to be concentrating out in the meanwhile. Chance has been created, and the catch has been taken by the fielder who was inside the circle at the short fine leg region. Pritham departs in a hunt of going for the glorious shots. He has struck a sixer. After that, the leading edge has cost his wicket.
देखिए रिप्ले में देखिए किस तरह से यह गेंद निकली थी, कैच को पकड़ा, देखा, और अच्छा कैच, बहुत अच्छा कैच। पहली गेंद पर बड़े शॉट के बाद गेंदबाज ने सागर वापसी के मैं कहूंगा और एक सफलता दिला दी अपने टीम को।
So meanwhile, paging Aslam and Asif, you are required near the presentation area. Members are waiting for Aslam and Asif. Definitely Ashok sir, more 3 overs. Sometimes extra aggression may cost you. Sometimes that flow of the runs, it may have a halt. And look at the beautiful view of the Fathoda ground, aerial view that has been captured. You can check on the screen. What a wonderful view, aerial view, and this is the beauty of the floodlights. It can glow, it can make you shine, it can make any ground look very, very beautiful, and all courtesy tenniscricket.in. Wonderful, wonderful this showcase of the ground and the other parts that have been covered.
नए बल्लेबाज आ चुके हैं मैदान पर। देवराज सामने लक्ष्मण नाइक अपने बॉलिंग मार पर इस ओवर को आगे बढ़ाते हुए। अच्छा शॉट इस बार ऑफसाइड पर, लेकिन सीधा फील्डर जो कि शॉट एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर, और जब तक इनको उठाते फील्ड करते एक सिंगल पूरा किया। 45 पर पहुंचा टोटल स्कोर 3 विकेट पर।
Definitely now looks to be the batters are slightly cautious. They know that even if they lose some quick wickets, then definitely those runs won't come on the scorecard. Short pitch delivery asking for trouble. Fielder was placed, but the ball has been placed away from him, and that is the boundary.
थोड़ी सी पटकी हुई गेंद थी, कंधों का ज्यादा इस्तेमाल किया था शॉर्ट पिच और हुक किया गेंद को लॉन्ग लेग बाउंड्री पर। 4 रन के लिए गेंद चली गई बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर। चौके के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा 49-49, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
So gradually, even we have seen fall of wickets, but the positive intent of the batters, loose deliveries have been hammered, giving respect for the good delivery that have been bowled to them. Full up his delivery, strikes the ball, a chance of a catch. Oh my dear, ball goes away from the fielder. Quick run and grabs the ball couple of inches inside the boundary rope. So that brings half century for the team, 50 up for the batting team. And now Pranal, who is accelerating at the moment, is at the striker's end. Full of his delivery outside the off stump, inside the guideline, and that is the dot delivery. So 4 overs completed. After 4, the team total is 51 for the loss of 4 wickets.
4 ओवर समाप्त हुए, आने वाले 2 ओवर का खेल अभी भी बाकी है। लेकिन मैं कहूंगा सागर अच्छा कमबैक है गेंदबाजी में, क्योंकि पावर प्ले में पहले ओवर में 24 रन बने थे और वहीं से लेकर अब तक 27 रन, तो आने वाले 3 ओवर में 9 रन के साथ रन बना रही है। 12 गेंदों का खेल बाकी है और देखना होगा बिचोलिम ब्लास्टर्स अब कितने रनों पर जाकर रुकती है आने वाली 12 गेंदों में।
Definitely, Ashok sir. 12 legal deliveries are remaining, and we are going to witness. But meanwhile, the man who has taken those wickets, he is bowling the individual quota, second over of his quota, and 5th over of the inning. Varad Dabolkar in a hunt of a wicket. This player can change the tide once again. Again, ball takes inside edge, racing towards the fine leg region. Batters will settle for a single, and the single will bring left-handed batter Pranal at the striker's end. Pranal is capable of putting the ball across quite comfortably, but the test that is in front of him is none other than Varad Dabolkar, the mystery bowler.
बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी कर रहे, कभी ज्यादा फ्लाइट दे रहे, लेग ब्रेक कर रहे, बीच बीच में अपकटर भी, वो भी उनका अस्त्र है। और फिरकी गेंदबाजी की जब जब चर्चा होती है तो सागर गोपाल गवस को भी बिल्कुल जाना जाता है, पहचाना जाता है, बहुत अच्छी फिरकी गेंदबाजी करते हैं। और
So meanwhile, shuffling across the off stump, strikes a ball, good effort, and timed his jump to the perfection to stop that extra 2 runs. What could have been a boundary have been fielded. 2 runs meanwhile have been taken by both the batters. So definitely this is wonderful running between wicket. Knows that boundaries have been dried up in this over. So they are taking everything that is possible. Quick one, played equally well, even though there's a fielder been brought in. 2 is the call, chance of a run out. Ball has been pounced in front of the wicket keeper. That makes the batter survives at the non-striker's end.
हल्के से टैप किया था गेंद को डीप कवर पॉइंट बाउंड्री पर फील्डर, लेकिन थ्रो नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर होना चाहिए था, तब बल्लेबाज बहुत दूर था, स्ट्राइक एंड पर तो रहा, थोड़ा सा बाउंस भी देखने को मिला और मिले 2 रन स्कोर के खाते में.
Another good strike. Ball has been hit. There's a fielder under the ball. Varad successful in this over. What a bowler, I must say. Every time the captain brings him to provide a wicket, and he gives that breakthrough. But one thing in the cricketing world where if we talk about the cricket, only the batsmen are remembered by the spectators. But it is a saying, and I also believe if you are having a good bowlers, then you can win each and every match and even the tournament.
हेलो, मेरे हिसाब से सागे ज्यादा से ज्यादा गेंदबाज जो मैच को जिता देते हैं, बल्लेबाजी होती है लेकिन 10 विकेट लेने पड़ते हैं पूरे, तो गेंदबाज भी मैच को जिता देते हैं. अगला मैच होगा कलंगुट जायंट्स और वालपाई टाइगर्स के बीच में. फिलहाल बॉलिंग मार्ग पर परिवर्तन हो चुका है, रियाज आ चुके हैं.
So meanwhile, calling out the captain of Kalangut Giants and Valpoi Tigers. You are requested to come for the toss. Kalangut Giants and Valpoi Tigers, please come for the toss. The toss will be taken during the innings break. So please come and do all the necessities that have been required. You have to mark your place. So requesting both the captains, come as quick as possible and do all the formalities before the toss. Meanwhile, this is going to be the final over of the inning.
हर मैच अगले मैच का टॉस हम इनिंग ब्रेक में करते हैं, तो दोनों कैप्टन आपसे गुजारिश है, कलंगुट जायंट्स और वालपाई टाइगर्स टॉस के लिए प्लीज आने वाले ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद जो छोटा इनिंग ब्रेक होगा वहीं पर आपको टॉस के लिए आना पड़ेगा. गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन, आसिफ जमादार और पहली गेंद पर ओवर पिच गेंद पर एक लेफ्ट शॉट, वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर, और बहुत ही शानदार शॉट जरूर था लेकिन सीधे फील्डर के हाथों में. सागर क्या कहेंगे, शॉट बहुत अच्छा था लेकिन वो दूरी पार नहीं कर सकी गेंद.
Yeah, sometimes even you need to be lucky, I must say, Ashok sir, because when you get the timing, you get the elevation, but sometimes when you hit the ball very high, you miss that the distance that is required, and we have seen the same thing over here. There was elevation, ball was hit up in the air, it was hit very high that even given enough time for the player to judge the ball. If he had to get that necessary angle to hit that ball, then definitely it would have crossed the fence.
अच्छा कमबैक मैं जरूर कहूंगा, क्योंकि पावर प्ले में 24 रन बने थे लेकिन वहीं से वरद दाबोलकर ने बहुत अच्छा वापसी की, अपने 2 ओवर में 2 विकेट भी चटकाए और कहीं ना कहीं जो रनों पर रोक लगानी थी, जब 24 बने थे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये टीम 70-80 के आसपास जाएगी, लेकिन वहां पर अच्छा कमबैक गेंदबाजों का.
Definitely, Ashok sir, after the 24 runs 5 overs were remaining, and if they had planned for 10 to 12 runs per over, then definitely they would have come somewhere close to 60 or 70 runs.
नए बल्लेबाज मंजुनाथ ऑप्टम से बाहर गेंद, वाइड बॉल का इशारा। सागर, कल से अगर अब तक की मैं आज की बात करूंगा, आज थोड़ा ज्यादा वाइड बॉल देखने को मिल रहे आज के दिन में।
Maybe Ashok sir, because now the rules have changed of the wide line, and that is the reason why bowlers are opting to bowl exactly near the guideline. And maybe sometimes you get that target, sometimes you don't bowl on that target. So that's why we have seen the wides in the modern cricket.
57 टोटल स्कोर, 57 रन। थोड़ी सी हवा में गेंद, कवर पॉइंट पर मौका कैच का, सीधे हाथों में निकली और एक विकेट चला गया। 7वां विकेट, 57 रन। आखिरी ओवर जारी है और एक बार फिर से हम सागर कॉल कर रहे हैं कलंगुट जायंट्स और बालपाई टाइगर्स अगले मैच के लिए, टॉस के लिए आप जल्द से जल्द आइए।
Will be looking to get whatever they can. They are trying to get the maximum purchase from it. Meanwhile, this is a strike. Ball has been hit towards the mid-wicket region. Two fielders running very hard. Two is the call. Chance of a run out. Throw at the striker's end. Was slightly away from the stumps. That given the liberty for both the batters to take a couple of runs.
बल्लेबाज आ चुके अक्षय जोगड़े आते आते शफल होकर एक ऑन साइड पर मिले 2 रन के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा 59, 59 रन 7 विकेट पर।
So far, a beautiful over. We must say change. Tried to go switch, but no connection. Akshay normally connects, but sometimes happens when you have a couple of deliveries left. You intend to hit each and every delivery out of the park. In that bargain, misses. So meanwhile, in a hunt of a cheeky single, we have seen a wicket in form of run out on the very last delivery. So after completion of 6 overs, score is 59. 60 runs is the target and exactly 10 runs per over, that is the requirement.
बाकी के 5 ओवर में सिर्फ
How was your journey?
It was amazing. I can see that this tournament was really well prepared and it looks outstanding. But first of all, I would like to thank the entire 10PL team for DPL team for organizing this entire tournament because this looks amazing, and especially Mr. Damu Nayak Ji. I have also seen a few familiar faces here like Mr. Tanu Uncle and Asif Devil, which I've seen in Abu Dhabi, of course. And out of looking from every tournament that I've seen in Abu Dhabi and in Goa, I can say that this is a pretty international level tournament because the grass is really awesome and the players have really colorful jerseys, and most of all it has a very hard-working management team. I can see that they've put blood, sweat and tears into this tournament because it looks absolutely outstanding. And this tournament has actually inspired me as I am a cricket player for my school team. And this tournament has inspired me to join these kind of teams to play in these amazing pitches and eventually experience. It was an amazing experience overall today because there was also these bouncy castles there, which were really fun. And yeah, that was my total review on this outstanding tournament. I can't even explain in words how good this is.
Thank you, Ayan, for your reviews. And we wish all the very best for your future. And I hope to see you playing on the ground like your father. So soon we are going to see this young Turk giving the reviews and also playing. So welcome to Goa. Do enjoy the tournament. And we'll see you for all 3 days over here. Thank you very much for joining. So that's Ayan Sheikh, who has traveled all the way from Abu Dhabi, joining to watch this tournament. So we'll continue with the second half of the tournament.
तो आइए अब टॉस सेरेमनी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं. दोनों कैप्टन यहाँ पे आ जाए प्लीज. कलंगुट जायंट्स, if you could join me. Kalangut Giants.
Pranal Sawant, and nicely played. Gets off the mark with a single, does Sahil. Score moves on to 1 in pursuit of 60 runs. Hasif Zamadar on strike for the first time. Pranal from the swimming pool end. There he goes, over the top, but will be holed out. Gone, a wicket falls. First wicket down, it's 1 for 1. And back to Harish Pandya, sir.
Yes, we welcome Valpoi Tigers and Kalangut Giants for the next match toss. However, we have a couple of minutes and some beautiful pictures coming to you via tenniscricket.in. So some wonderful moments being captured. These are velvety moments of the tournament that we'll cherish forever. Young Ayan Sheikh explaining his enthusiasm about cricket here, and I'm sure the kid has a wonderful future in terms of blogging and blogging, and we wish him good luck. So here we have both the captains, and now I would request our guest for the toss to join in. Asif, if you could join us, Asif.
That's a wide, extras. In pursuit of 60 runs. Siddesh Bhagat, team owner, very animated, having a look at all the proceedings right now. Again, watchfully played by Anand Patil, gets up the mark straight away, and will be just 1. Score moves on to 3. 3 for the loss of 1 in pursuit of 60 runs. 60 runs in 6 overs, 10 runs per over. That is the asking rate right now. Sahil Arulkar, team skipper, team icon in the middle, along with Anand Patil. Loads of experience between these two. Again, watchfully played and nicely behind it. Couldn't quite carry it properly. The field that covers. Another single has been taken.
Thank you, Shyam. Good evening, friends. Welcome to Damba Premier League Season 1 being played here at SAG Cricket Ground, Fatoda, Goa. And we have got Kalangut Giants who are taking on Valpoi Tigers. And today we have a unique guest representing Art and Communications, our sponsor, Mr. Ganesh Naik, who is an avid cricket lover, a successful entrepreneur, and has specially traveled today to this venue to encourage the players. Let's welcome Mr. Ganesh Naik with a huge round of applause. आइए गणेश सर. सर सबसे पहले तो आर्ट्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन को थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आर्ट कैन कम्युनिकेट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. ऐसा कहते हैं ना, 1 पिक्चर इज इक्वल टू 1000 वर्ड्स. एज ए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ आर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशंस, आपको कैसा लग रहा है सर ये टूर्नामेंट में जो आप जुड़े हैं? दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग पूरे गोवा में इस वक्त चर्चा में है, तो आपके क्या थॉट्स हैं इस टूर्नामेंट के बारे में? और आपको एज अ स्पॉन्सर कैसी फीलिंग आ रही है जब आप हमारे साथ ज्वाइन हो गए?
ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा हर साल होना चाहिए. तो ये गोवा में बहुत बढ़िया टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है, तो बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है.
ग्रेट. और अगले साल जब दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 2 होगा तो आर्ट्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन हमारे साथ एज अ स्पॉन्सर रहेगा.
100%.
Well, thank you so much, sir. That's a very big certificate that you have given to the league. अब आपके यहाँ से टॉस करेंगे DPL and Damba. You need to take a call. First, we are taking a group picture. Beautiful photographs and live pictures coming to you. Excellent work by the photographers, cameraman, editing team, mixing team, production team of tenniscricket.in. जी सर, you can flip the toss coin. कॉल किसका रहेगा? आप मांग रहे हैं वालपोई टाइगर्स. ओके. Dambab is the call and it is DPL. Kalangut Giants, well, congratulations. ऐसा कहते हैं कि टॉस जीता तो 50% काम हो गया. क्या लग रहा है?
टॉस जीत के पहले बॉलिंग करेंगे हम लोग.
और फ्लडलाइट में खेलने का एक सपना रहता है, नाइट क्रिकेट हम लोग टीवी में देखते हैं. आपको लग रहा है आपका एक सपना पूरा हो रहा है टू प्ले सच अ वंडरफुल एंड नंबर 1 टूर्नामेंट इन गोवा?
हाँ, नंबर 1 पे ही है टूर्नामेंट है, क्योंकि अच्छा लाइट पे है और मौका मिलता है तो अच्छा है खेलने को लाइट में भी.
थैंक यू सो मच. आप अपनी फील्डिंग प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. वालपोई टाइगर्स, ऐसा नहीं है, टाइगर रात को भी जंगल में निकलता है और शिकार करता है, तो टाइगर का फ्लडलाइट में शिकार करने वाला है. क्या लग रहा है टाइगर को?
ज़रूर हम अच्छा खेलेंगे, बैटिंग भी अच्छा करेंगे और बॉलिंग में भी अच्छा करेंगे.
और टीम में कोई चेंजेस आपने किया या सेम विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा?
नहीं, हमारी टीम सेम है.
Thank you so much. So Kalangut Giants have won the toss and they will be bowling first, and Valpoi Tigers, they are going to bat first. लेकिन ये मुकाबला आधे घंटे बाद चलेंगे सीधा लाइव एक्शन के लिए. शाम कलंगुटकर वहां पे तैयार है.
Thank you, sir. 8 for the loss of 2 wickets. Nicely played, and that will get a single. Oh, that's gone through. Overthrows. And another one, Sahil back on strike. 2 more runs added. Score moves on to 10. Exactly 50 required now. 50 required in the remaining 29 deliveries. Coming back with Ashok Naik sir in the com box.
थैंक यू श्याम. एक सत्कार की तरफ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. मैं हमारे एक छोटा सा सत्कार समारंभ, मैं यहाँ पर सबसे पहले तो बंटी भाई को बुलाना चाहूँगा. बंटी भाई आइए. ऑक्सफोर्ड हमारे लॉजिस्टिक्स पार्टनर, और इतना स्मूथ लॉजिस्टिक्स है, ऐसा लग रहा है गोवा में ही मैं सेटल हो जाऊँ. बंटी भाई, यू आर एन अमेजिंग गाय. ऐसा कभी भी मतलब इतना स्मूथ लॉजिस्टिक्स हमने नहीं देखा सर. थैंक यू सो मच. और उनके हाथों एक भव्य सत्कार करेंगे गणेश नाइक जी का. आइए. आर्ट्स एंड कम्युनिकेशंस आर स्पॉन्सर्स. हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आर्ट्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन की प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट और बैलेंस शीट बहुत मजबूत बने. आप अच्छा GST भरें, भारत सरकार को आगे बढ़ाएं, और विकसित भारत में आर्ट्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल हो। और गणेश जी, सबसे बड़ी बात है कि कोई भी शुभ काम की शुरुआत गणेश के नाम से ही होती है, तो आपका ये सत्कार करते हुए हमें मजीद खुशी हो रही है। विश यू गुड लक सर, एंड वी आर थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर योर पार्टनरशिप विद अस। थैंक यू सो मच बंटी भाई। बंटी भाई 2 मिनट है अपने पास। ऑफ कोर्स ऑक्सफोर्ड एक बड़ा नाम है, लॉजिस्टिक्स आपका पैशन है, लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूँ क्रिकेट भी आप बहुत इंटेंसिटी के साथ देखते हैं। दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग एक मेथड है, एक तरीका है गोवा के हर घर में क्रिकेट का जोश जगाने का, इसको आप किस तरह देख रहे हैं?
Good evening, everyone. Harish bhai, thank you for your kind words. And coming to Dambab, this was a dream of our boys who have done it. Like it was not very easy. आप जो setup देख रहे हो, this was a dream. मैं 2 मिनट में ये complete नहीं कर पाऊँगा, but I would like to thank Arif sir of Petroman, जो all the way अपना काम छोड़ के हमको यहाँ पे सपोर्ट करने आए। एंड तनवीर ने पिछले 6 महीने से बस सिर्फ टूर्नामेंट के लिए ही काम किया है, अलॉन्ग विद इट नीलेश एंड परेश, दोनों ने मतलब कहीं पर भी हाथ नहीं छोड़ा। देयर आर नेम्स, मेनी नेम्स टू नेम, बट दाम्बाब इस एक सेटअप बना दिया है उसने, एक अलग ही चैलेंज है। एंड ओके, देयर आर सम लूप होल्स, बट वी आर डूइंग आवर बेस्ट। हमारा पूरा सपोर्ट है। वी हैव अ ग्रेट टीम। असलम जो है मतलब ही वांट्स एवरीथिंग प्रोफेशनल। आसिफ इज रनिंग हियर एंड देयर, फिर भी बातें खा रहा है, बट एवरीवन इज रियली डूइंग अ गुड जॉब। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Damba Premier League, living the dream. Damba Premier League, living the dream. They are living the dream. And thank you so much, Bunty Bhai, for your kind words. Wish you good luck for the future endeavors. Let's go back to the com box. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. 2 overs done. It's 12 for the loss of 3 wickets. In the spot of bother at the moment are the Navilim Royals. Well, another 48 runs required in the remaining 4. 12 runs per over, the asking rate. Change in bowling, it will be Badal from the swimming pool, and 48 required in the 4 overs. Sarvanna has come in along with Sahil at the other end. Nicely bowled, and will pick up single. Will be relatively happy right now with the kind of performance the bowlers have put in by the Vicholim Blasters. Completely have blown away the top order. That's big. Pick the length early and onto the dugout. Short delivery and swiveled across nicely. Gets the maximum and will feel a lot better now with that 6.
कहीं ना कहीं शाम बिल्कुल रनों की सख्त जरूरी थी, क्योंकि स्कोर बोर्ड पर बहुत कम टोटल दिखाई दे रहा था। 3 विकेट भी बहुत जल्द खो चुकी थी। थोड़ी सी छोटी गेंद मिली, घूमकर मारा। इस बार बल्ले के बीचों बीच शॉट और बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर एक लाजवाब शॉट मिले। 6 रन और 6 रन के साथ स्कोर बढ़ा 19 पर पहुंचा 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
Again. Oh, has he been taken? No, just gone over the fielder. Thought it looked like the fielder would just get underneath, but just went over him. So now requiring another 35. So 2 maximums have certainly brought the Naveli back in this game.
दो बड़े शॉट, एक बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर, एक मिड विकेट पर अभी अभी, और 2 शॉट के साथ अब मात्र थोड़ी सी ठीक ठाक दिखाई देती हुई स्कोर बोर्ड पर। अगली गेंद सामने, एक बार फिर से अपने बॉलिंग बार पर इस ओवर को आगे बढ़ाते हुए बादल नाइक।
Swing and a miss again, trying to must the same kind of hit on the onside, missed out. Top order batsman, skipper taking the responsibility and playing deep. That's what is needed, and that's what make you boys to men. That what transforms you into better cricketers, is how you mature.
ऑप्टम से बाहर गेंद, वाइड बॉल का इशारा।
Score moves on to 26 with that extra. Score moves to 34. 34 more required now. Full toss delivery, up and over. Oh, put down. Chance gone begging. Easy chance, and that has been put down. Would have been in a better position to catch that one, but couldn't quite. And whom to drop? The skipper of the opposition team, who has struck 2 maximums in this over. Nicely cut away. Straight to the man. Chance of run out. Direct hit? No, not quite. Just a single has been taken.
Check. So now here I am in the crowd. Aga जो आमचो स्विमींग पूला कडेन स्टँडाचा थंय आयल्लो आसा पळय, हांगा कोणी जर स्पेक्टेटर आसा आन्सर करताले क्वेश्चनाक, तुमच्या खातीर एक क्वेश्चन आसा, पळोवया कोण आन्सर करता तो. क्रिकेट सगळ्यांक आवडटा म्हणून आयज आमी हांगा सगळे पळोवंक आयल्यात. एक बॅट्समॅन कितले भशेन आउट जाता, टोटल नंबर सांगल्यार पुरो आन्सर. कितले तरेन एक बॅट्समॅन आउट जावपाक शकता, हांगा येवन आन्सर करपाचें. एक बॅट्समॅन कितले भशेन आउट करपाक जाता, नंबर सांगल्यार पुरो. अकरा रॉंग आसा आन्सर. सो आन्सर आयला तेय रॉंग. 9 रॉंग आन्सर. सांगपाक जाय आन्सर. स्टँडा वयल्यान सांगल्यार प्राइज मेळचे ना. डेफिनेटली तुमकां गिफ्ट आसात. सगळ्यान पयलीं हांगा कोण येवन सांगता तेका एक गिफ्ट मेळटलें. 12 रॉंग आन्सर.
And that's put down.
4 wrong.
Underneath. In fact, the bowler as well as the keeper underneath, and that has been let off.
10 is absolutely correct. मातशे हांगा यात, तुमचें नांव सांगया. नासीर. ओके, सो डेफिनेटली तुमकां एक हांगा जे प्राइज आसा ते मेळटले. डेफिनेटली आमचे जे आसात ते तुमचे कडेन येतले प्राइज दिवपाक. सो आन्सर इज 10 and I'm going to tell you all the 10 ways after this ball.
.31 required now. Pranal Sawant, really good delivery. Right in the block hole. Can't allow the batsman to settle down, as he has hit 2 maximums in that previous over, and now currently is just trying to be on the back foot and try to muscle the ball on the onside.
So meanwhile, the answers: 10 ways: bowled, caught, stump, run out, LBW. Double hit, you can't hit twice.
Swing again, missed again. Another good delivery. Skipper to skipper. And both the skippers Currently, Pranal has got the wood on Sahil.
So obstructing the field, timed out, handling the ball. So there are 10 different ways a batsman can be given out. Over to Sham.
Yes, thank you, Saga. That's big. And that's gone onto the tower. A maximum. Will make it 25 more required. 25 required now to win. Well, backing too far across and connecting it to perfection. Swing and a miss. Dot delivery. So far, 7 runs of this over that have been given by Pranal. Just trying to bowl back of length and trying to bowl away from the arc of Sahil. Good delivery. And will pick up just one. Single has been taken. Single to end the over, will retain the strike. Sahil Arolkar after completion of the fourth. It's 36 for 3. 36 for 3 after completion of 4 overs. Requiring another 24 in the remaining 2 overs. 24 required in the last 2 overs.
Check. So I'm at the other stand with another question. हांगाय खूब फॅन्स आसात. चान्स आसा तुमकां एक प्राइज जिखपाक. पळोवया कोण पयले आसा तो. क्वेश्चन सिंपल आसा. हायेस्ट सिक्सीस इन अ मॅच इन अ टेस्ट कोणी मारल्या आनी त्या प्लेयराचें नांव. पळोवया कोण येता जाल्यार आन्सर हांगा येवन दिवपाचें. चान्स आसा तुमकां प्राइज जिखपाक ह्या स्टँडार जो टेनिस कोर्ट आसा थंय आसा. सो पळोवया कोण स्पेक्टेटर चान्स दिता. टेस्ट मॅचीन हायेस्ट सिक्सीस इन अ मैच.
दो ओवर का खेल बाकी है. 24 रन चाहिए अभी भी मैच को जीतने के लिए. और सामने दूर वाले छोर से गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन. संतोष आ चुके हैं बॉलिंग बार पर. 2 ओवर का खेल बाकी है. 12 डिलीवरीज 24 रन. 12 गेंदों में 24 रन. 12 चेंडू 24 धावा. संतोष बॉलिंग बार पर. ऑप्टम से बाहर गेंद. वाइड बॉल का इशारा. वाइड बॉल के साथ एक अतिरिक्त सिंगल बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में. तो अभी भी 12 गेंदों का खेल बाकी है. और स्ट्राइक पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे साहिल. इस बार थोड़ा सा दूर से खेलने की कोशिश. बाहरी जाने वाली गेंद पर चेरकानी ऑन साइड पर खेलना चाहते थे. ऑफ साइड की गेंद को बल्ले का भीतरी किनारा और एक बड़ा विकेट. ऐसे समय पर जब सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा था साहिल बहुत अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे और वहीं पर विकेट खो गए अपना.
सो आता जो क्वेश्चन विचार थँक्यू डीजे तेजे आन्सर मेळिल्लें आसा. पात्रांव मातसो यो. क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो एक टेस्ट मॅचीन हायेस्ट सिक्सीस आनी त्या प्लेयराचें नांव. सो आन्सर तुमी सांगात.
13 सिक्सीस रोहित शर्मा.
हे आन्सर आसा करेक्ट. रोहित शर्मा आनी तेणे एक मॅचीक 13 सिक्सरी मारिल्ल्यो. तुमचें नांव. बाब निलेश रायकरान हे आन्सर दिल्लें आसा. तुमकां अवश्य गिफ्ट वतलें.
New man in Rajesh Gosavi. Paging Sagar Gosavi in the com box. Paging Sagar Gosavi in the com box. Thank you. Meanwhile, new man in Rajesh Gosavi in the middle. Reverse sweep. But straight to the hands of the fielder. Will just be one. What a wicket that of Sahil Arolkar. Thickish outside edge taken by the wicket keeper. Score moves on to 38. 22 required now. 22 in 10 deliveries. 22 in 10. Sarvana in the middle. Sarvana along with Rajesh Gosavi. Both are very powerful strikers of the ball. That's gone through and it's running towards the fence. No chance for the fielder. Racing across the turf pretty quickly. And some welcome runs for Navilim.
4 बहुमूल्य रन मिलते हुए स्कोर में कवर पॉइंट पर फील्डर और दो फील्डर को बीट करते हुए गेंद चली गई बाउंड्री लाइन पर। चौके के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा टोटल 42। 42 रन 4 विकेट पर। सरवन्ना बल्लेबाजी कर रहे, सामना करते हुए आने वाली अगली गेंद का।
Nicely paddled away. And a bit of fumble from that fielder. Just one though. Has he taken any? 17 required now. 17 in 8 deliveries. 17 in 8. The situation is getting tensed right now. A bit tensed. Siddesh Bhagat, the team owner, with his fingers crossed. Very nervous right now, but he won't show those signs. Let's play it over covers. And what a powerful hit into the hands. Gone. Another batsman. This time Rajesh Gosavi trying to up the ante and has fallen in that trap. A fielder was placed in the cover boundary and he has been taken. So still requiring 17 in the next 7 deliveries.
बहुत अच्छा शॉट आप एलईडी स्क्रीन पर देखिए, रिप्ले में देखिए, लेकिन बिल्कुल बाउंड्री लाइन के 2 गज अंदर कैच को पकड़ा। अच्छा शॉट था, थोड़ी अगल बगल में गेंद निकलती तो रन बन सकते थे, लेकिन सीधी गेंद निकली और राजेश गोसावी आउट होकर वापस, और उनके आउट होने के बाद और एक नए बल्लेबाज आते हुए मैदान पर।
Abhishek Gaukar, the new man in. Left-handed batter, left-hand, right-hand combination. 7 deliveries requiring 17. It's already gone down the wire. This situation, this game. 7 deliveries, 17 runs required. Where are the batsmen of Navilim trying to manufacture those runs? So far the bowling has been spot on. This time down the ground, a mini helicopter will pick up just one. And it will be 16 runs required of the final over. 16 runs to win of the final over for Navilim.
नमस्कार सगळ्यांक ज्या तरेन हांगा लोक हळूहळू भरतात आनी भरतले आनी मॅचीस जबरदस्त चालू आसात. कोण क्वॉर्टर फायनलीक पावतलो दुसऱ्या दिसाक ताजी उत्कंठा अजुनी पर्यंत आसा आनी त्या खातीर आमचे खुबशे मानेस्त जे ह्या वाठारांतले मोठे दिग्गज अशे आसात आनी तांकां खूब नामना आसा अशे मनीस आमच्या मदीं आज हांगा आसात. वी रिकॉग्नायज द प्रेजेन्स ऑफ द पिलर्स ऑफ मारगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी कावन्सील. श्रीमती बबिता नायक वायस चेअरपर्सन मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील, तशेंच बाब सदानंद नायक कावन्सिलर, तशेंच बाब कामिल बारेटो आनी मॅडम मिलाग्रीन गोम्स the councillor asata Margam municipality. We recognize the presence from the commentary box and also from the entire DPL management committee. Thank you very much, and we are honored and really pleased to have you at Damba Premier League.
$16 runs required of the final over. Navdeep Paune
has been given the ball in this final over. 16 runs required to win. Abhishek Gaokar on strike. His partner Sarvanna at the non-striking end. Some advice that has been passed on by Chirpu to him. Short delivery, and that short delivery gets thumped. Maximum on the very first. So some pressure released, hooked away over square leg for a 6 on the very first delivery. 50 up with that. 10 runs required now in 5. Well, what scenes, what absolute brilliance that we are seeing right now. Abhishek Gaokar, usually opener, comes in at number 1. Has been just been kept down the order. Maybe trying this kind of impact. 10 required in 5 deliveries. What does the bowler do now? Can't bowl short, as he has seen that short ball get thumped for a 6. Again a shot, but this time much fuller. Will be a dot delivery. 10 in 4 deliveries. What games of ups and downs. It's like waves. They come, they touch, they go. Yesterday we saw 2 games that got tied. Both the times Kankona were at the receiving end, maybe trying to create that tie. Again trying to blast that one, missed out, and will come back for the second. Chance of run at the keeper's end. Not quite. 2 more runs have been added. Excellently done. Both are very swift runners and have again kept it to 2. 8 required in 3 deliveries. 8 in 3 deliveries. That's up in the air again. Field getting underneath and taken quite comfortably. That's the wicket they were looking after. It is Pritham Sheth underneath who takes the catch. And another wicket falls. Abhishek was looking good and has to head back in the pavilion. Still 8 required in 2 now. A game of ups and downs, game of some solid twists. Nandesh is the new man in. 8 required in 2 deliveries. Let's check the field. What kind of field do Nandesh have? What he needs to tackle with. Man at extra cover, man at long on. Mid wicket, square leg. And 1 for the switch. 8 required in 2 deliveries. Sliced away and taken in the cover. Skipper underneath. Takes the catch. as cool as a cucumber. And another wicket falls. Will be on a hat trick now. Navdeep. So new man in, Lakshman, requiring 8 in that last delivery. Navdeep has bowled superbly. Been hit for a maximum on the very first, and since then the comeback has been spot on. The deliveries that he has bowled have been pinpoint. Lakshman Naik on strike. Straightish bit of long on that has been captain. That's up in the air and will avail nothing, or maybe just one. And with that, it will be victory. Well, had to make a lot of efforts, lot of hard work that has been done by the Bicholim Blasters to reach at this position. 60 looked to be a pass score, but their bowlers have kept it very tight and very intact. Well, shortly we'll be back with the man of the match in this game.
Thank you. तशेंच जेन्ना आमी हो टुर्नामेंट करतात आमच्या मदीं माने सजर आसता आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमकां ज्या ओनरांनी हांगा मदत केल्ली आसा त्या ओनर तशेंच बरे मागपी स्पॉन्सर्स सगळ्यांक आमी ह्या वेळार माये मोगाचें आमचें एक प्रतीक अशें दितात आनी यादस्तीक भेटवण करतात. सो आतां आमी म्हापसा लेजंड्साचे जे ओनर आसात कादरी मुल्ला बाब तांकां विनंती करतात आनी माचयेर वचचें आनी बाब सदानंद नायक सिनियर काउन्सिलर आमचे मदीं आसा सदानंद बाब नायक तांच्या तर्फे हे जे यादस्तीक आसा ते मातशें स्विकारचें. कादरी मुल्ला विनंती करतात आनी मातशें माचयेर येवचें.
Man of the match of the previous game is Pranal Sawant. Pranal Sawant to receive the man of the match trophy at the presentation arena. Back to Harish Bhai.
Requesting Kadri Mullah, the owner of Mapsa Legends, has given immense contribution for the progress of Damba Premier League. We are very much thankful. And also this wonderful memento. So wonderful photo frame as a memory for the owners as well as all those who have contributed. Thank you very much for the support and cooperation. God bless you, Kadri Mullah. Now we are going down here and we are definitely going to announce the player of the match for this particular game. May I now request Madam Babita Naik to kindly step down, please, to present player of the match here at the presentation arena. Player of the match for Pranal Sawant for brilliant bowling and all-round performance. So cash prize of 1,000 rupees as well as this wonderful trophy. Pranal, they needed this victory very badly. He was the leader, he was in charge and leading from the front. He is going to collect this honor of player of the match. We are definitely honored to have Madam Babita Naik, Vice Chairperson, Margam Municipal Council, to present this player of the match. Congratulations and thank you, Madam Babita Naik. You can please take your respective stage. Yes, next one I am having a word with Pranal Sawant. Pranal, जबरदस्त तुझे परफॉर्मन्स जालें. पयली मॅच तुमचे कॉम्बिनेशन जे